Good morning class. For this video I am taking topic advantages of networking. In previous videos I have explained you definition of network, uses of network. Now this third topic in your book here is advantages of networking. Networking in computers. When we talk about networking in computers, there are three words associated or three advantages, three uses we really see that networking is useful with. That is its efficiency. It improves the efficiency, economy and effectiveness in any organization. These three words are very important with networking. In any organization, wherever there is networking, it is definitely going to improve efficiency, economy and effectiveness of the organization. Now, advantages of networking. Very first is efficient use of storage media. Efficient use of storage media. First point. So when we talk about efficient use of storage media, that is it is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than to store a copy of the application on each user's storage device. That is, when we talk about networking, always there is a word that is server. So data is stored on the server, and from server it can be shared or it can be given to any other node or workstation working with networking. So sharing becomes very easy and efficient. So there is maximum use of storage media. You need not to have different hard disk on different nodes or workstations involved in the networking. There will be one main computer, and that main computer will have one strong or powerful CPU which will have its own hard disk, and that hard disk will be used as storage media for all the nodes or workstations involved in the networking. This is efficient use of the storage media. That is, we are making maximum use of storage media. Second point is reserving information. Reserving information means it is difficult to maintain the backups always with standalone computers. Here I want to explain you what is a standalone computers. Standalone computers are the computers as we have our desktop, single computer at home, which is no more further connected with any type of networking, any other computer. That is a standalone computer. So standalone computer also, it is very difficult to maintain the backup. When you keep backups on central location, you have one place to look for the lost information. That is the same way as we have stored the information. If you have to search the information, you have to search at one place. So that is very beneficial, and that is called preserving information. Third point is reduction in hardware cost. Now reduction in hardware cost means, suppose if you have 10 computers interlinked in a particular network, you need not to have 10 CPUs with it. That is, with each computer will not have its own CPU. Only one server will have one powerful CPU, and all will share that CPU. This reduces the overall cost. And so third point is proof, that is reduction in hardware costs. Okay. Third point is reduction in hardware costs. Hope all of you understood. Next is efficiency. Efficiency in a network. The deletion, modification, any type of upgradation, any type of editing is to be done at a single point only. Okay, so efficiency in networking is very much clear. This brings no efficiency. This brings more efficiency and effectiveness into a working system. Deletion, modification or upgradation of a software or data is to be done at a single point only. Means suppose if there is a server, so changes will be done only on the server and it will be displayed on all the workstations or the nodes which are connected to the networking. Next is redundancy. Redundancy means no need of hard copies. That is, today we know that we have paperless offices. Paperless offices means the information or data of any organization is not stored on papers. No papers, no files, paperless offices. Everything is stored in soft copy. By sharing the soft copy of a file over the network, the need to share paper copies of reports or any other information can be eliminated or greatly reduced. Paperless offices, no need of hard copies, but data will be stored in the form of soft copy. That is called redundancy. And last advantage is quickest document delivery. Document delivery. It is all because of networking. We know that it is the fastest mean of communication. Just within a one click, message can be delivered from one computer to another computer across the world, across the globe. So networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies. Remember, soft copies, not hard copies. From one computer to another computer, from one place to another place, worldwide. This is quickest document delivery. These are 6 advantages of networking. Thank you, children.